My question is, my husband actually rear-ended someone on the interstate about 4 months ago. You know, the police came, they filed reports and everything, asked if anyone needed to go to the hospital. Everyone was like, no, we're fine, you know, let's just, you know, get the reports done, you know, claim insurance, get vehicles fixed, and that'll be that. About 2 months ago, we received a letter from our insurance company telling us that the people are now suing for injuries and for all of this other stuff. And my insurance company is a very large, reputable company. You know, they're known all throughout. And since then, my insurance company will not tell me anything, you know, about what's going on. Will not give us any information, just, oh, we're taking care of it. Should I hire an attorney on my own just to protect us, just in case my insurance company's not going to handle it?
Boy, that's such a great question. Heather, let me tell you what we see a lot in accident cases. Number one, we see your situation often, where people don't think they're injured on the front end. There's a lot of adrenaline going and excitement after an accident, and they later find out that they are. But another thing that we see a lot of and hear a lot of is insurance companies not communicating with their own insured. And when your insurance company is obligated to pay for you an attorney to represent you. But this is very critical. That attorney represents you, Heather, not the insurance company. You ought to be communicating with your attorney that the insurance company is paying for, but that attorney ought to be communicating with you. He ought to be returning, or she ought to be returning your phone calls and answering your questions about your case. You also have the right to tell your attorney, if you are actually at fault, that yes, we're at fault and we don't want to go through litigation. Now, the insurance company's got a lot of say in that, but you do have a right to communicate and be kept abreast of what's going on with a case against you or your family.
So Heather can pick up the phone, call her insurance company and say, hey, I want the attorney that you're responsible for providing me with.
Correct. I want to know my attorney's name and I want to be in touch with them, and that attorney's representing you, not the insurance company.
Okay.
And Kirby, one thing I would add to that is, if you still have problems and you don't think that this is being addressed, send these concerns to your insurance company and that attorney in writing.
Okay.
That's a great suggestion, Ed.
All right.